time. 445, 02 model. I'm going to sell all these motorcycles on the red light now. I don't know nothing about no motorcycle. This one says it's an 02 with 40,000 miles. I don't know nothing about all that. 2,500. And I'm going to tell y'all, me and Heather have voted on this, and the vote is the driver goes with it. The driver goes with it, okay? Y'all please take your weed. $5,000. I don't know what it's worth. It's got 8,000 miles. 4,000? I'm not no motorcycle man. $4,000. 41. It says it scored a 4.0. $4,000. 3,500. We got to go from 3. Now 1. Got to be worth 3,000. Bobby, don't try it. I ain't never 3,000. Take it out. $3,000. Now 2. Now we're going up. Todd, you're going to be 2 now. 31, 2, Bobby, you're going to be 2. 31, 2, phone call, 3,100. 189, snap. Here's another one. Number 47 is an 07 Harley showing 62,000 miles. It's black and black. $8,000. 81. 8,000. Y'all can't have this driver now. We got to keep him. He's pretty good help. 7 grand. 7,000. Now why? 7,000. 6,000. Now 1, 60,000 mile Harley, $6,000. Now 1, 6,000. 6 grand. 1, 6,000. Todd, what do you think here? 5,000. What'd you say? How many? I have 2,500. We got about 5,000 to go. Now 26. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, hold on, 3,000, 1, 2, y'all can hold the button down, 33, 34, $34, 5, 6, 7, 36, 7, $37, $8, $38, 7, 8, 9, 4 grand, $4,000, and 4, now 1, $1, down 1, might be a job, 4 grand, 41, 4,100, $4,000, still working on the last one now, but 44 and 5, 4,500. JJ, you on the board? 44 and 5, 44, 5, Miss Heather, I got 4,400. Phone call and 48. The Speedmaster? Is it 48? Is that right? 49. Yeah, we've been to make a boo-boo. There we go. 18 Yamaha. Bike has a $26,000 retail value. 20 grand. $15 grand. 2 and a half. 15, but in or out. 15,000, 15 grand, 2 and a half, 15,000, bye-bye. 15 grand, but 15, let's try this one. This is number 50. Okay, all right, this is number 50. 06 Harley with 37,000 miles. And $6,000. Black on black, good miles, and a Harley. 5,000. 4,000. I got 51. You got to be 2, Todd. I took him first. 52. 2. 3. I got 2 on the floor. You got me 3. Internet's out everywhere. 8 grand, 82, 4, 6, 8. And 9 grand, 9, 9, 9, 9 grand, pass, no, 1, 2, 9, 30 grand, 2, 27, 2, 4, 7, 4. 27, 600, 800. Pass up 130. WRX Limited, big Georgia, and 20 grand, 4, 6, and 8, 6, 8, pass though. 130 time, Skyline, pick up Georgia. Odo's in kilometers, approximately 85,000 miles. Right-hand drive, Japanese VIN plate. Oh, lots of upgrades here. 25 grand. 2, 25, 20 grand, 2, 4, $20,000, 4, 4, 4, 6, 20 grand, 600.
again, but a bit 600, but a bit 666, how many, 600, 20 again, but a bit 600, 18, but a bit 2. 18, but a bit 2, to be able to be 2, to be able to be 2, to be able to be 2, would have been 18, would have been 200. Let's do 18.6, SS, 18.600. How about 8, would have been 800. Blaze would have been 8. Well, you know I can, would have been 8. 8. 8. Blaze would have been 19. Now 2. Blaze would have been 19, would have been 4. 19.6 Blaze. Now would have been 8. Oh, would have been 20 grand, would have been 20. 20 grand, would have been 20. Would have been iCar, would have been 20. Would have been 2. 2. Would have been 2. Would have been 25, would have been 2. Pick them up would have been Georgia, would have been 2. Would have been SS, would have been 4. Blaze would have been 4. 40 grand, would have been 4. Would have been 600. Would have been 600. 20 grand, would have been 800. Would have been 8. 8, 8, 8, 8, would have been 21 time, would have been 1, 2, would have been 1, would have been 1, 2, Blaze, would have been 1, 2, would have been 1, 2, would have been 1, 4, 1, 4, 4, would have been 1, 4, would have been 1, 6, 1, 6, would have been 1, Blaze here, would have been 1, 800, would have been 800, would have been 800, y'all read the message boards, guys. He's telling y'all all about this car. Would have been 21, would have been 800. Would have been 6, 8. 8, 8, 8, would have been 22 grand. Would have been Blaze here. Would have been 20, would have been 2. Would have been 2. Would have been 2, 2. 2, 2. 22, 2. 22, 2. How many would have been SS? Would have been 2, 2. 2, 2. We're going to stay on them 200s now. Would have been 22 and 2. 22, 2. SS would have been 2, 2. And I close the bidding 22,000, Cam, on an if. Thank you both.